Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm going to be sticking with the monochromatic, and I am doing green today. And we're going to be using some Satin Enamel, moss green. And I used that in a green cloud paint. I made some cloud paints up with that. I'm going to be using a black background with the green, and just two colors. I have a liquitex hooker green hue, hooker's green hue, and it's mixed to a very thin consistency. And also lily pad by this little piggy lily pad. Also very thin consistency. And that's it. It's going to be very simple. We'll just pour some of this green down. And let's see where this takes us. Here's my torch, sorry about that. I do have some green. I think I have green. Oh, nope, sorry. No green. Have to save that for the blue day. I thought I had some green milk paint, but I don't. So we'll be saving that for another day. And I know I did promise I was going to be mixing my paints with you today, but after I mixed them, I realized I made that promise. So tomorrow I will definitely be mixing my paints with you all. I do apologize that I'm not doing that today. And here is my torch, and I actually don't think there's any bubbles in here at all. Okay, and let's see, I like to, I do like to use my little cup here. You know how I feel about my ring pours. I really love them. So let's start one up here tonight. That looks quite pretty. Whoop. And I'm going to do another little ring pour down here, and I'm going to use the cloud paint in between. Let's see what kind of effect we get in that one. Whoop. All right, and let's do that one right next to it. Okay. Close this up. Close up my piggies. Close up my green paints over here. Push that out of the way. Let me wipe up my hands. And let's see where we go. That. Looks like this cloud paint could have used a little more water in it. Looks a little thick. It's not flowing too quickly over my paints here. I actually think I'm going to stop here and stop here and see where we can go. I like the little lacing that I'm getting over there. So here's my torch. Okay, so I think right now, what I'm going to do is let that sit for about half an hour and then come back to this. Maybe we could push that over a bit. We have that all in. I don't want to miss any. Let me pull that up a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay, got some nice cells popping up all over. If you the little pretty ones in here. Composition looks pretty neat. Looks like I have some those piggies in here. So we'll be back in about a half hour, and we'll see what we have. Okay, it's about a half hour later. I think everything looks so beautiful with my greens, which actually is only really 3 different greens in here. You can see the iridescent of this little piggy right in here, and you can also you'll pick it up on the close-up in here. It's really beautiful how let's see if I can bring it down in here a little bit. I don't think you can actually see what's going on, but over in this section over here, besides having a cell, you have a cell within a cell within a cell. It goes in 3 different, sometimes 3 different colors in one little cell there. It's absolutely gorgeous. I have lots of little lines going through. Over here, it's just beautiful the way, yeah, just the way it just captured everything. I really, I love the way this piece came out. Even all these little, I love the little tiny little pearls, I guess, if that's what you want to call them. I don't know what they are, but they're just beautiful. I love the way the satin enamel works, how these pieces come out. I'm really in awe of all of this. Yeah, so I love how this piece came out. I'll be doing monochrome again tomorrow. So I just need 2 more, yeah, just 2 more subscribers to my 100, and I have a special surprise that no, and it's not a giveaway, but it is, it's giving of myself to you, a little something of me to you. You'll learn a lot about me when I reach 100 subscribers, for those of you who don't know me. So thanks for coming today. I enjoyed having you here, and please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Today it's a green thumbs up, although my hands are pretty clean. I went and washed them, although I didn't get all the green off, as you could see. Yeah, Donna from Hollywood, signing off. Have a great day. Bye-bye now. Please wait for the close-up.